You are tired, worn down, restless. You lie down, yet you do not recover. Your mind cannot relax. Your body cannot regain its strength. You believe something is wrong with you. It is not. You are not broken. You are unfinished. Stay with me, and I will show you how to restore your strength. You believe rest will save you, yet rest without order only keeps the fire alive. I speak of the inner heat, the fire in our body that modern science calls cortisol. This fire is not evil, it is a guardian. It rises when the body does not know what comes next. It remains when the mind sees no ending. It burns when usefulness, safety, and completion are absent. In the army, we learned this early. Exertion does not exhaust the soldier. Uncertainty does. A marching man is calmer than a waiting one. Understand this well. Passivity sharpens the inner heat. Purpose dulls it. This is why strength training steadies the mind. Not because the body grows large, but because effort has direction. When muscle is held in tension, when the body is compressed and controlled, it receives a message no thought can deliver. I am capable. I am contained. I endure. In such moments, the inner heat begins to withdraw. Yet effort alone is not enough. The body also seeks rhythm. We rose at the same hour. We ate at the same hour. We slept at the same hour. Even when the world was uncertain, the body was not. Random days teach the body to remain alert without end. Ordered days give it permission to stand down. Warmth, too, is wisdom. After danger, warmth tells the body survival is achieved. Cold sharpens the fire. Warmth quiets it. Do not rush to speak of your emotions while the inner heat still governs you. First, stabilize the body. Only then instruct the mind. This, then, is the practice I would give you. Begin your day at a fixed hour. Rise without negotiation. Move your body deliberately, not for vanity, but for command. Hold tension. Bear weight. Remain still under strain. After exertion, bring warmth. Wash. Drink something warm. Signal safety. During the day, close what you open. Finish small tasks fully. Let nothing trail behind you unresolved. Before rest, record what is complete. Not what troubles you. What is finished. Eat simply and at regular times. The fed body does not fear. At night, withdraw at the same hour. Do not argue with sleep. If the mind still burns, rise above it. Look down upon your life from a greater height. See how small today truly is. Remember this rule above all others. The inner heat leaves when the body feels useful, safe, and finished. Not calm, not pleasure, completion. Give the fire purpose, and it will not consume you. There is a kind of suffering that no rest can cure. It is not caused by hardship, nor by labor, nor by danger. It is caused by division within oneself. I speak now of moral strain, the tension that arises when a man knows what is right, yet does not act accordingly. Nothing exhausts the soul like acting against itself. You may call this modern burnout. I call it inner contradiction. When thought and action are misaligned, the body enters a state of vigilance. It does not know whether you are ally or enemy to yourself. And so the inner heat remains. Many today believe they are stressed because they do too much. In truth, they suffer because they do not do what they believe they should. A man can endure great labor when his conscience is intact. But even small tasks become unbearable when the soul is divided. And here, the body is often misunderstood. Many treat the body as an enemy, something to silence, suppress, or override. This is an error. The body is not the source of your distress. It is the messenger. Restlessness, tension, fatigue, these are not betrayals. They are signals. The body speaks when the mind refuses to listen. When you ignore your principles, the body remembers. When you delay necessary action, the body waits in alarm. Do not attempt to reason away what the body is telling you. Respond with action. Align thought with behavior. Complete what you know must be done. In this alignment, the inner heat begins to fade. When the body senses integrity, it stands down. Treat your body not as a burden, but as a loyal sentry. It warns you when you stray from your own nature. It quiets itself when you return. Live in accordance with what you know to be right, and the body will no longer need to shout. When the day draws to its end, do not carry it with you into the night. The body cannot rest while the mind keeps its accounts unfinished. Each evening, I question myself, not to accuse, but to restore order. Ask yourself 3 things. What did I do in accordance with my nature? What was unnecessary? What is now complete? This is not judgment, it is closure. What is examined no longer needs to be guarded. In this way, the inner heat loosens its grip. You live in an age of constant signals, endless messages, and days without clear endings. So you must create your own. End your work at a defined hour. Close what you are doing. Write it down. Dim the light. Reduce the noise. Warm the body. Let the body recognize that the watch has ended. Do not carry tomorrow into the night. Tomorrow will come on its own. Move each day with intention, not urgency. Give your tasks clear beginnings and clear ends. Train your body regularly, not to escape thought, but to steady it. Eat, sleep, and rise with consistency. The body trusts what is predictable. Remember this: a well-ordered day allows a peaceful night, and a peaceful night prepares a steady mind for what must be done. This is how a man lives in accordance with nature, even in a restless age.